guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be drinking Dr. Pepper. Time to delicious. Hi, Dad. Hi. Mommy.
Hello.
Hi. You're on YouTube.
Hi guys.
No! Do not go there. I'm going to put it on the white table. I don't care. Who wants to be on YouTube? Troy, you're on YouTube. No, you are. Look, no! I can't get you off of YouTube. Hey, what's wrong with you? Helicopter. These are all the stuff that we. This is mine. Woo. It says Johnny Freeman. Woo. Hi. It's sometimes Jedi. It's a special ed that we said, but the candy, you know, they say the doing. Oh, sad. I need to set it up so then you guys can see. What are you doing?
Upstairs, Charlie, I've already put you to bed once. Go upstairs now.
Ryan.
Hi. You guys probably know this. You know what to do. Helicopter, helicopter.